this video we're going to be making a waterfall bracelet. First of all, what you have to do is make sure that the pegs are facing you. Then you have to sort out 4 colours. I've chosen yellow, orange, pink and dark blue. So when I start making your base, all you do is take 3 of your colours and put them on like this. Just keep going until you get to the top. Once you've got to the top, you want to make sure that all of them are pressed down properly. Then all you do is flip it over and start putting your 4th colour onto the rack and making a triangle all the way up. Once you're done, it should look like this. You have to remember to keep the bottom 2 pegs without triangles. Now you're going to start your hooking. All you do is get the pink one and bring it up to the top. Then the orange. Then the yellow. And just do all that. Do all of them right to the top. Making sure you keep it in order of pink, orange and yellow. Once you're done hooking, it should look like this. There's the part that I never like doing, taking it off. That is the bit where it's most likely to snap. So what you do now is you get your yellow, and you put it on here, and your pink, and you put it on here. As you can see, I'm not quite an expert. Don't worry if these bits come off. Then you have to take a coloured band and pull it through the rest. And make a tight knot. Then take all of your bands and take it off. Most people use this, but I like to use my fingers. Okay, this should be the result. Then all you have to do is take an S-clip, put it on. Ouch. There you go. There's your waterfall bracelet. Thanks for clicking on this video. If you like what you saw, please subscribe for more videos. Bye!